everyone, welcome back to Dee LaVigne. If you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you're excited. For those of you that are subscribed, please make sure my post notifications are turned on by hitting that bell. When you hit that bell, YouTube notifies you every single time I put out a video. So today, as you can tell by the title, I did another I buy the cheapest thing on Hermes.com. So the first one I did, if you guys haven't checked it out, I bought the cheapest thing at Louis Vuitton, and I went into the store. So I bought the cheapest thing that they had currently in the store, and so I'll link that video down below if you guys are interested in checking that one out. Y'all wanted me to do some more of these, so I placed an order on Hermes.com because the nearest Hermes is in Las Vegas, I believe. I did some online searching. I was on the website, I clicked around, looked at some really cute things. I am personally a fan of Hermes. I love a lot of their products. Some of them are like, I don't love all of them, but there are many products that I do love. It was really fun to look on their site because I actually found and discovered new products that, you know, I usually don't go searching for, so I didn't really know that they even sold. And so this is what I came up with, and I'm gonna stop chit-chatting and going on a tangent. So I'm gonna open it up. Ooh, I got that rough tape. Ooh. Okay. So inside of here is a brown box. Okay. They made sure this thing was extra secure. You know what? I gotta say, I truly enjoy and love and appreciate designers and like luxury designers that like their packaging is always on point, which of course you better hope it is, because you're usually spending a lot of money, and you know, with these designers you're really paying for the name. Like their markup is crazy high. So anyways, I'm opening it up, y'all, and dang, it's like nice and cushiony. Y'all see this padding? I'm gonna have to do a close-up of this box. And when y'all see what's inside, you're gonna be like, for real? So here is the box. It has padding and it just opens up really nice. And here is the box. It has the Hermes Paris sticker. But before I open it, let's see what's inside of this envelope. Nothing. It's just a blank card. So that's really cool. If I was buying it as a gift, I could like write a little personalized card. That's cute. I'm kind of probably gonna keep this. And then in here is the receipt, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it has like the return policy, and inside of here it says your receipt. I will do a close-up of the receipt. So the item on the receipt says this right here. I paid $23. Let's see what's inside. I'm actually not even gonna, yeah, I am, okay. So it's wrapped really well in this wrapping paper, and then they have like the little bow on top, and it's wrapped really cute. It has the little horse, and I'm gonna unwrap the ribbon, and now it's just an orange box. It looks so different without the ribbon, y'all. Okay, so now for the opening. Your girl is talking too much, sorry. Okay, so this is what I got. I'm gonna open it. It is the, okay, I'm gonna butcher this name, y'all. Savon de Merveille. Yeah, perfumed soap. So your girl got soap for $23, and honestly, for Hermes soap, I don't feel like that's super expensive or extreme, although I could get some Dove soap for like $1, probably less. Ooh, would y'all like to see that? Comment down below if y'all would like to see, you know, me doing a Dove soap versus this $23 soap. So like, you know, see which one really works better or if there's any difference. But your girl, ooh, it smells really good. I could smell it already. I didn't even have to like, just me opening it. Wow. Ooh, okay. Lord, my husband, watch me end up loving this, you guys. My husband's gonna be like, oh. Okay, so it comes in this box, and here is the soap, you guys. Wow. So it looks exactly how it looks on the site, and it smells really good. It smells just like what it is, perfume soap. Smells really good. I'm honestly not good at describing like what perfumes smell like unless it's just blatantly, it's not like it's in the middle. It's not like fruity at all. Smells like, it smells good, okay? I will say that. It smells really, really good, and yeah, this is what I got, you guys. I'm actually really interested in trying this, so be right back. I'm gonna wash my hands with it and then get back to you. Y'all, sorry. So I just washed my hands with it. Let me dry off and then smell. Okay, so honestly, I don't really smell the strong like scent that I was getting when I smell the actual bar of soap. Let me see. Yeah, like I'm smelling it on the bar of soap, but it doesn't really transfer. Like I'm not smelling what I smell on the bar of soap, but I mean, my hands definitely feel soft and smooth. I'm not sure if it does, you know, the same thing as like Dove, if it's better or worse. I'm gonna probably have to do that video because I'm really interested. But as far as the scent goes, I do not smell it on my hands at all. I smell it on here, but not on my hands. So that was kind of a fail. But first impressions, I actually think it smells really good. I love the packaging. Of course, I'm so extra when it comes to packaging. Like, I love packaging. On a scale of 1 to 10, would I recommend this? I feel like it's a little too early, but if I had to recommend, like right now, I would say yes. Because I feel like for Hermes, it's really not that badly priced for $23 because it is a generous amount. I mean, it's a pretty thick bar of soap. And like I said, again, you're paying for the name, which I feel like wasn't a super heavy markup. I know that may sound crazy to some, but I do feel like, you know, after smelling it and just like the look of the bar and the packaging and all of that, I feel like it was probably worth around what they charged me for. So yeah, this is the cheapest thing that you can buy on Hermes.com. Let me know down below what other stores you guys would like me to do this on, and I will. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This was seriously my genuine raw reaction. I totally enjoy doing these, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.